So what we're also going to do as part of the filter changes is the air filter. These are really easy, but on this car we need to jack it up and get underneath. Now as you can tell, I'm not actually doing the work, I'm instructing the boy to do it. So Harrison, this one's for you. Let's get underneath and get it done.
So, 2 clips either side, I'm going to pop them off and then see if we can get the air filter out. So there's one.
Also have a look at the condition of it as well, can't we?
Yeah.
There's a very doubt anyone's touched it for a little while.
There's 2. And I'm going to shimmy it. Oh, we've got oil in there.
Shouldn't have oil. Might have a little bit of water.
We've got black water then.
Ooh.
Why are we not coming out?
Have you got any more clips?
Can't feel anymore. You see it dripping?
That's it. Oh, so that's interesting. So, let's have a look at this oil filter, this air filter. We've got oil on the bottom of it. Don't know whether you can see that. It's dripping down. Air filter's in pretty bad condition anyway, look, it's a bit cruddy. But the reason why that's got black bits on it, that oil, is because the EGR, which is the gas recirculation valve, which sits at the top of the engine, appears to be blocked. So it looks like we're going to have to wash that out as well.
Right, got the new one, a little bit bigger than the old one because we've got a sponge on the outside, so this could be interesting, to say the least. I'm going to try not to get
So now we've cleaned the EGR valve as well, we've also cleaned on the inside of the airbox. And now, I don't know whether you can see this, let's see if we can get around here a little bit further. Just enough to pull out. From here. There we go. Nice and steady. Almost there, look. Is that big brass?
Yeah. Wind your finger. There we go.
Is he in? Look at that.
We're in. Okay. And we've just got to put clips back on either side. And there's our second one.
Look at that.
And we're in.
Done it.
Quickest and easiest thing, took out to be the longest thing in the world.